Hello, good day! Ito nga pala ang inyong Sir Jello at meron ako ulit ituturo sa inyo na math video topics. Pero bago yan, huwag niyo munang kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel na Sir Jello para maging updated kayo sa lahat ng videos na i-upload ko. So bago tayo magsulat ng radical form to rational exponents and vice versa, define muna natin what is a rational exponent. Since ito yung mga may encounter natin as we progress with our lesson. So let us have first the definition. So, pag sinabing rational exponent, in general, the nth root of x is equal to x raised to 1 over n. If x and n are real numbers and n is greater than 0. So, as we all know, yung n, yun yung nasa labas ng radical sign or yung index. And then, yung numerator, usually yun yung nasa loob ng radicand na naka-raise din kung ilan. So, in this case, naka-1 yan, no? Pero hindi naman na nilalagay yung 1 dun sa loob ng radicand. And may condition, no? Na n should be greater than 0. So, kasi dito naman yun sa labas, no? Sa index. So, it should be greater than 0. And then, for any non-negative real number x and any natural numbers m and n, where n is not equal to 1, that is x raised to m over n, ito yung rational exponent that is equal to the nth root of x raised to m, which is yung radical niya, or the nth root of x quantity raised to m. So, this is how we're going to write rational exponents to radical form, like these two, or in radical form, pabalik dun sa rational exponents. Okay. So, magbibigay tayo ng examples dyan. Sa mga rational exponents in radical form. So, ngayon, tuturo ko naman is how to write rational exponents to radical form and vice versa. So, na-define na natin yung rational exponents and how to distinguish between rational exponents and radical form. Ngayon naman, gagawa tayo ng example by writing. Okay? So, let's say meron akong first example natin is 8 raised to 1/3. Okay, so 8 raised to 1/3. So, this is an example of rational exponent kasi merong naka-rational dito na 1/3. Ang gagawin natin is to make it radical form. So, from 8 raised to 1/3, alam natin na ito yung base or yung magiging radicand sa loob ng radical form, and then this is in the form of m and n. So, alam natin yung numerator, yung mapupunta sa loob, and then yung denominator, yun yung index. So, pag sinulat natin siya to radical form, that is the cube root of 8 raised to 1, or the cube root of 8. So, ganun lang siya. Kasimple, no? So, this is the radical form answer. Okay, so next, let's say meron tayong 12 raised to 3 over 2. 12 raised to 3 over 2. So, that becomes, since 2 yun, denominator, square root siya, no? So, the square root of 12 cube, or square root of 12 quantity cube. Okay? So, pareho lang naman ng ibig sabihin niya. Okay. Usually, yun to hindi na nilalagay, no? Na ganyan. No need na. Kasi, is understood naman, pag walang index, that is already square root. Okay, so the square root of 12 cube or square root of 12 quantity cube or raised to the third power. Okay, so that is how we write rational to radical. So, paano naman from radical to rational? Lagyan natin. Radical to rational exponents. So, let's say meron akong the fourth root of 5. Fourth root of 5. So, pag sinulat natin siya into rational, that is 5. Copy muna natin yung radicand or yung magiging base raised to, since walang number dun sa loob ng radicand na exponent, that is 1 fourth. So, the answer is 5 raised to 1 fourth. Okay, next, let's say we have the cube root of 8 raised to the fourth power. So that becomes 8 and then raised to una to, no? So yung numerator is 4 over 3, or that is 8 raised to 4 over 3. Okay, and then last one, let's say you have the 7th root of a squared. O pwede ring variable, no? The 7th root of a squared, that is a raised to 2 over 7. Okay, so that is how we convert radical to rational exponents. So, pwede naman yan. Pag, pwedeng variable, pwedeng numbers, pwedeng combination of variable and numbers. Okay? Now, let's say you have the fifth root of, last one, you have the fifth root of AB. The fifth root of AB. So, dalawang variable. Okay, so we can write it as, ito, pwede tayong gumamit ng parenthesis kasi dalawang variable naman yung involved. So, that is AB raised to 1/5. So, ano na siya, rational exponents. That is how we write those given numbers.